Well, blessed love, good morning, good morning, good morning. You know it goes already, you know it goes. So, anyway, today, we're gonna head to the Bad Fountain. You know, you probably know the Bad Fountain already. I probably see it in my previous video, the Bad Fountain. So that's what I'm gonna be heading today, to the Bad Fountain. But first, we're gonna do a stop off at DJ Wicked. You know, we're gonna link him as well to Andovi, and then we can bring him along with us. You know, we're gonna bring him along with us to Bad Fountain for him to get some content as well too. You know, I'm gonna link up with my good friend of mine down in Bad Fountain, Jack Tusia. You know, the guy that always get the back massage and then the thing. Yeah, so we're gonna link up with some old friends down there. So it's good to head him back to Bad Fountain. You know, Bad Fountain is where they discover the hot water, you know, way back in them days, you know. So we're gonna head there. Bad Fountain now, it was discovered way back in the 17th century. Yeah, so Bad Fountain in St. Thomas was discovered way back in the 17th century by a runaway slave. Yeah, so the runaway slave now, I think him have them saying have an ulcer on his foot, you know, and him find the hot water, you know, coming out the rock, you know, and that was the healing water that healed him, you know, because he was a runaway slave. You know, when you're running away, you know, you go through a lot of bush, a lot, you have to jump fence, you have to jump this, you have to go through a lot, you know, and them probably abuse him as well too. So he was the one that discovered the Bad Fountain there, you know, with the hot water coming out the rock way back in the 17th century. So it's not now, it's a long time it's been there. So since I've been there for the first time, I kind of understand and know the history about it, because going there for the first time I never have no idea about it. But when I realized that it was discovered by a runaway slave, you know, and like find this miracle water here will help heal. It's healing water, it's good to drink. As you talk about it, I need to bring bottles to catch some to drink as well too, because I'm not going to go empty-handed and don't come back with that healing water to drink. So, you know, stay tuned. Remember, put the thumbs up. Welcome to Keener Life in Jamaica. You know, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. And remember, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So, you know, like a subscriber as a key, you know, you have to continue to remind us, because sometimes we don't remember to put the thumbs up, or we don't remember to subscribe. So I remind you guys to put the thumbs up, you know, every time if you're watching, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You know, so welcome to Keener Life in Jamaica. So we're on our next mission to the Bad Fountain. Dream team, one team. So we're gonna take you on the journey.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Juice I go buy.
One pepper.
So God believe me.
God believe me.
What's your name?
Sharon.
You live around here?
Eh?
You live around here? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello everyone.
Hello everyone. You got TV?
Yeah.
There. You see?
See yourself?
Yeah.
Are you that? Sure are you that? And are you that?
Yeah, look good in life.
So you say you buy juice?
Yeah.
Make sure juice you go buy.
Mama, tongues, yeah?
I mean yam and tongues. Let me see you buy the juice. $3.90. Probably not there for that. Sure. Oh, you buy the juice?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to drink them juice then, it's not good for you.
Man, I want to go. Change. Have more?
If you have more, what?
Money.
More money? So you want more after I give you that already? Look how much money you have in that bag there.
Man, buy a cake.
You want next time, man, can you look, you still have more money left back out of what I give you.
Alright,
Look how much money you have leave back.
next time.
And true. Well. You know, we stop off at DJ's Wicked. And all the thing is Wick. Oh, that is the Mwango.
Yes, guys, how you all doing? Hope you all doing good. The dog again.
Dog don't have no teeth, he won't bite.
We're out and about.
Hey man, so blessed
We're
Lord.
here again. Yeah,
What's
yeah,
that?
there's a river.
It's Wicked. You have a river over here?
Yeah, everybody down there.
Right, that's all?
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful.
It's swimmable?
Yeah.
Swimmable.
Swimmable. Even if it's not swimmable in the countryside, it has to be.
When you get more rain, it's Wicked.
Every day. All the time.
Where's life with orange there? We have man like DJ's Wicked.
You see that?
Give thanks, give thanks,
Nice to
give
see
thanks.
you.
Hello. Hi friend. What's Orange doing?
She
Sleeping?
looks exactly like you. Sikin. She looks
Don't
exactly
he?
like you.
Yeah.
100%.
Why you barking? What's wrong? Come here. Why you barking? Come here. Some say hello to my camera. You see D? He ain't gonna do nothing. What happened? Say hello. I'll wiggle the tail. Say no, all is well. Right. Yeah, the place dark like we're gonna get some rain.
You know, at the time they up at the fountain, the water will get
Hot. Yeah, the water gets hot each time it's cold. It rains. Oh, go on my YouTuber friend. All is well.
Yeah.
Cool man, we have life with orange here.
Yeah,
You know the thing
yeah.
on DJ's Wicked. Hey, the one the eye
How you
fully.
doing, man?
The full eye. Eye full.
You good?
She's serious. Serious, right? Serious.
Man, look how good that.
Who that? Who that?
Yes guys, so you know passing by, we go to go Bad Fountain and I told you that this was the direction. Because we always drive past DJ Wicked when we go to the Bad Fountain.
that is it.
And not knowing that we have to pass you before we get there.
Definitely.
You know, so like how we're gonna pass here, you know, because as I said the video that we put out, it hit a lot of people.
True.
I got a lot of phone calls and say they want to do something as well too, but them just
Even we get some call as well.
get some
too,
call as well.
Yeah. You know, really some I they call them, you know, really touching and things,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Yeah, but we appreciate everyone that really reach out, you know, give us a call. You know, we don't really get nothing yet in our hand, but at least people, you know, feel our
Reaching out.
pain and reaching out to us. So we appreciate, you know, all the love, you know, And there's a special person from UK that said
Yeah.
to give you a special big up for him.
Yeah.
You know, say him always watching your thing and see you doing a great job for the people them. So, you know, he say if you tell us if you just continue to do it, you know.
Same way.
Yeah man, because God have a purpose here. So just go and do your great
man.
work, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You see me, and we appreciate you, we love you. You see what I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Blessed
man,
love,
that is it, man.
That's
That
how we
is
have to
it.
show us love, you know.
That is it.
Right, Orinthia?
Yes.
So, how is everything?
Bless you.
So we know you're shy already and thing, but you know, become a YouTuber, it have to literally come out.
First, I want to give God thanks, and I want to say thanks to Christmas List for making this possible for me to meet you guys.
Yes, yes.
Then I want to say thank you a million times, thanks to thee,
Yeah.
you know, and you know, it has been quite an experience. You understand? Because when you say you were coming, I didn't know that it was something like this.
I know.
You know, because I thought like when you come now, we would have just
do some
do
videos,
some videos and
thing.
you know, it would have help our channel to go up. But when I saw the video yesterday, me nearly pop up.
Because you know what? It's because it's in me. Like if I'm about and I'm next to someone that I think they will need a help, I will try to
Yes.
like reach out. You know, but it's up to them if they want me to reach out. You know, and get the support for them. Because if I'm in the position same way that you're in, and someone
Yes.
come around and can give me the strength,
Yes.
I'm gonna say yes, please. You know,
You know,
because
you know, I'm truly grateful. You know, we have get quite a few people reached out. About 10 or more.
wow, that's a
Yes.
lot.
But we haven't respond any from all of them. But we
Yeah, in time.
get info from 4 of them, but we don't really collect anything as yet. But
Yeah.
we get response from 4.
Yeah, yeah.
The others say they will get in touch in time. So
Yeah.
I guess we have to leave that to God and
Yes,
time.
yes, yes.
You understand?
Yes,
And
sir.
we're still grateful same way.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand? For knowing that at least we know we're going somewhere.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And all glory leads to the Almighty. You know,
Yes, yes.
He will give all glory to. So we
Yes.
just here serving, you know, our purpose, which is trying to help each other. Because I say if Almighty came down now, he's gonna do the same thing that I'm doing.
Yes.
You know, because he always try to help. And as I say, when you pray, you ask for help, don't think it's the Almighty that come knock your door.
True. That
you
is
know.
so true.
He's gonna send someone where you least
Yes.
expect. You never know. He's not gonna come and say, put this in your pocket, so kid.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
That is
No,
so
you know,
true,
I'm
man.
saying people to come and do it. And it all start from Chris, you know, and now Chris linking up, and then we and Demo and go, and then this is how where we are now.
Yeah.
You know, so that is where it's stemming from. So that's why we have to always give thanks to the man himself in the
Yes.
up and the inner way,
That
you know,
is it, man.
what he's about.
That
Right
is it.
now, we give
Enough
thanks.
respect to Christmas this same way, you know. Yeah, man, big bro, man, I tell you, we appreciate your help, you know. You mean, you know, so much to us, you know, as a bigger brother. So,
Yeah,
you know, we accept everything that God has, you know.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Cause Chris
show
work,
us
you see what Chris work is showing what he's done.
That
Yeah.
is it.
You know, him do the work and the work will continue. Because if he never come and do this work,
You know.
I wouldn't know who the Demo and go. You know, so
I would also want to say big respect to the Mwango, because you know, to be a down to earth person like this, you understand, because you know many people that come from so far and them wouldn't even look upon as low class people like
Yeah.
me.
But that's where I
You
come from.
understand? Yes.
But that's where I'm coming from as well. you
Yeah,
know?
so
Deep
enough
in the
people,
countryside, so I
people
can
reach
relate.
to the top, but them don't remember.
Where they
So them
coming
did
from.
they down here, so
Yeah,
before
yeah.
them reach to the top. You understand? So me have to give thanks for your, you understand, for show about the effort
yes, I.
for reach down here. Yeah, man.
We
Yeah.
appreciate
We
That's why
really
I belong,
appreciate it,
and that's
man.
why I love it.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
That's what
man.
You know?
You might see D right now on camera and feel like she was born like this, or born living a luxury life, traveling like she's
It was
literally
much more
coming.
worse. I always
Yeah.
tell Kina and I'm like, yeah, it used to be like this and that. Just yesterday, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah, so it was just like that. One day everything just changed.
Yeah,
You know, she was
yeah,
living in
yeah.
the same thing. That's why I say she always try to help anyone she can help on her way, you know, because she realized she was in the same position.
Man, and we appreciate it, man. We appreciate it, you know. You know, I hope God continue bless her heart, you know, and bless her where she can always have to give. Not to me alone, but other people out there, because, you know, yeah, man, she is surely blessed. That is it, people.
That is it. And guys, remember, the link will be in the description. I'm say please help them YouTube to grow, you know, so they can help themselves, and you yourself will see the transformation from where they're coming from, you know, to where they're going by you helping out. Let them YouTube grow, you know, subscribe, tell a friend about it, you know. The link will be in the description. See them here, because as I say, let them grow. You know, so the 9 to 5 is working for YouTube now, so at least you are giving them a job. You know, so with the subscription now, you're sending them to work. Right, so once you have the subscription, you keep watching. Them have to go and work, find the content for you to watch. You know, so for the
it's also not easy to go find the
content. But you have to go and find.
It's easy when you have everything like watching like that flowing, but the process of getting there.
That's the point.
It is the point. So it is a job that you're giving them to do, you know. I'm say Almighty always give people chances, so give them a chance as well to, you know, give them, make them grow. They won't forget where they're coming from, for sure.
Never.
Yeah, man, as people
can't figure out where I come from.
You know, I'm proud of who me is, you see me? Yeah, man, because as me tell you, from me around 6-7, me I climb coconut tree.
Yeah, that's why I climb like a pro.
I not tell you about no short one, some tall one, you know, we've been through hard work, people, and would I love for one night time, you know, we kind of have things look easier. That is it. It's not like say, yo, we're afraid of hard work or nothing like that, but you know, we need to save little of the strength so when we're older we can, you see what I say? That is it. So people just help us to grow so we can, you know, at least can stretch and to help someone else, you know?
Yeah, because what I'm doing, you can also do it in your community right here. You know, you can walk around and say, that's how you're doing it. I'm going to get you some grocery because I kind of realize that you need a grocery because now we have a platform and you can help same way. You know, so we have to always help each other to help others grow.
From ever since the way they hear him talk, from him just start the channel, and that the way me hear him talk.
Same one to help someone.
Yes, same with a life to have it so you can help
people. Right now, where for Christmas, where the other day I ride my bicycle, I never expect me I go see her, and I was like seeing her and she stopped me and I say, you can't give me a 20 for make up buy something, and I say, you know, so I just spend half the money do, and I like feel shame knowing that yo, me travel, go up on farm work and me all ride on the road, and I can't even help him good. You know, but at least we try for, you know.
But if you just go and try, see me and say, I can still go and put it on your YouTube, say yo, help them person. So guys, so as I say, I want to thank each and everyone that reach out, you know, to this family, you know. Thank you so much, please, say we can help.
People.
No matter how small it is,
man,
we're taking it, please.
Get it in our honored people, appreciate.
Yes.
You see me, how you really reach out to us, and many of the people them that been reaching out to us, I tell me that, yo, we are come from there to, you see me? Man. And me I tell you, we appreciate you guys a lot.
Man.
Just continue support Kino, help him to reach 100,000 subscribers, guys. Because him need it, guys. You see me, I put in the work, him will help in Trenchtown, you know, and doing the work, people. So
as I say, please reach out to them. Life in Oriental, you know, we're gonna run, you know. We're gonna grab these days to kids and bring them beautiful go shoot some content. You know, same get where I go on.
Man, I just want to tell each and everyone that reach out to us, thanks very much, you know. I really appreciate it because, you know, the Bible.
You know, we appreciate all of you guys. All of you guys.
Most of them go by some alias names.
Definitely.
They can understand
and
all of them.
Even the elder, I think America, him come from.
If them have an alias name,
you know,
but not them name,
I just want to say a big thank you to you, my father, because, you know, to the reason I want to say, yo, definitely I'm going to accept you as my daddy, because my father got from I was 3 years old, so yeah, my father, man, big up, man, I appreciate the love, you know. You make me feel, you know, like a son, although I'm not really start get the shower of blessings.
But it will.
Yeah, man, we're happy to have you on board, that. Yeah, man, big up, enough love. And Kino,
Yeah,
Big
man.
up yourself, man. God love you.
You're the
Yeah,
best.
man.
Yes, God
We
love
give
you.
glory to the Almighty,
See,
you know.
blessings,
Yeah.
show us
It's
a
not
blessing.
me, yeah,
serve
show a
us
blessing. So life you don't yeah. See you later. Yeah, soldier.
Okay.
Well, go on, you coming?
Showers of blessing.
Alright, you see why they didn't come. You know I come, but no, you know all is well.
Come, let's go. Come.
Come, rain and fall. So guys, we're gonna run. Remember the link will be in the description. I want to thank each and every one of you, but reach out to help the family. So we're gonna head to the bath fountain. Cause this is the best time as well too, when it's raining.
Later.
YouTuber, later.
Bless up, bless up.
Yeah, man. Alright. This is the best time when it's raining by the fall.
Oh, it's the best.
It's gonna be warm.
Oh,
Whenever it rains, the water gets hotter.
wow, countryside vibe.
Yes. Whenever it rains, the water gets so hot. You know, it's unbelievable. And true hot down there.
We had just stopped by to say hello to
DJ Wicked. Jacuzzi. Yes, sir. You know, yes. Alright. Malas. Hello. Ja, what you say? You think up now? Okay, so well guys, this is the familiar face here again. Jacuzzi.
Loud and proud.
I remember, you know, because we know so up here is always festive. So when you come into Bath Fountain, yeah, this is the man, right? So give them your contact number again, Jack.
Yeah, man. 1876-862-8173. Bless up.
Yes,
One
so
love.
1876.
862-8173.
Yes, Jack Chusia.
Man. Big up to the job,
You say you know him?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I may always link man who come here, man. Yeah, man. You know the thing, though. So, my guys, I'm back here at the Bath Fountain. You know, it's not the first I've been here, it's not the last. It's still not going to be the last. You know, I'm going to continue to keep on coming here to show my face. So, I'm literally back and back again, you know, at the Bath Fountain to get some of the hot water. Bath. Yesterday was the cool, you know, the fall, but now the hot water. So we keep on moving around. I just want to Bath Fountain here. So this is the river coming down from here. Bath. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sizzler.
A team up.
Put in the work. So we close the Bath Fountain. Hello. So this is Jack Chusia. This is D Mwango. You know, this is my brother always with the massage and thing. He's the one. German. So yes, so he's the official man. If you don't want to get, you know, when you come here and you want to get in the bath and everything, this is the man. You know, this is the man.
You want drink jelly now?
Yeah, where jelly there? You want to drink a jelly now?
Yeah. them?
Yeah.
I'm going to mash it and cut it.
Yeah.
Mash it up, so not
Alright.
So this is where I stay as well when I come here.
Oh, you stay here?
Yeah. For like 3 days, 3 nights. It's nice here. Very, very nice in there. Very, very, very. This is my place. It's a German bike, yeah? German bike, this, you know? Yeah. I'm coming one day, I'm seeing with it, and I'm like, yeah, you're out.
That is it.
You see me? Yes, yes, yeah, man.
So we out here, you know, people. Yeah, man. That is it. We out here with the great, you know, General himself, key in our life in Jamaica, guys. Yeah, man, and the famous Demongo. So, yeah, man, people, make sure you help them to grow more so they can help other people, because as you know, see, Kino do a great job, people, and yeah, man, he deserve to reach him 50K, you know, and going, people. So, help him to reach him goal, man.
Yeah,
you see me, we out here doing it. Yeah, man, and them give me the strength too. Them want to see me grow as well. So, I jar that, people. So, help if we reach our goal, people. Yeah, man, blessings always.
You know,
That
so,
is it.
So we give thanks, you know, it goes. So we're there at the Bard Fountain, you know, this is my place where I always stay when I come here. You know, so we're here again. So, well, me change already for the hot water. You don't cry when you see me run from the hot water because we not used to it for this long while.
That is it.
But we're back on it again. So, I don't know if me have any of my friends staff them in there and things. So this is the place. We have the river here. Lovely, lovely. But it look like so we have nice flowing river still. I can see it's coming down, you know? Yeah. Nice flowing river we have here. Very nice.
See the rain fall and go on too.
It come down though.
Man, wash out and something too.
The last time I come here, they made have faced the drought. The drought was in the summertime. I come here in August. So in them time, they would have faced the drought as well. So the place is kind of dry, but little water that run, but not enough.
That is it.
Not enough. So give them a run down in my place.
Yeah.
So this is my place. You can show them my room too. So guys, I'm saying Bard Fountain, when you want to come here, you can come here. Oh, do you will book in?
We're going through here or
No, we're not going through here. Hello. I'm a general. All is well? Yes, big up, big up. They are fast shoot today, you know? Oh, you know, switch it too.
One stone.
One stone.
Active.
Yeah, man. So guys, so Ja, you know, so you may wait and think you come back over there?
Sorry,
Blessed fire. All the time I think you're coming back over there now. There.
No straw?
No straw.
I can get a bamboo straw.
Bamboo straw? Where's the bamboo?
Bamboo, another way up where I go.
Okay. The bamboo is where we're walking to, so if you want to try it. So you need a bamboo straw.
Bamboo straw is the best.
Normal straw. Boss pull up on the boat, leaving, so yeah. A sugar. You just put them on a sweet like sugar. Wow, this sweet like sugar. This sweet like sugar.
hope you all doing good. So be sure to subscribe. Don't forget out here.
Out here, people. Joke. There, man. There.
This one sweet like sugar.
I'm going to pull jar the moment, guys. I'm going to have a coconut tea here. Yeah. So, stay tuned.
Wow.
Watch you all.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, please. It's sweet like sugar, do you?
Hey, you can't miss the machete.
No. You're used to this. I tell her you're used to this.
I just feel like it's missing.
No, missing. So guys, whenever I come back fountain, remember his number will be there. And remember him face if you don't have his number to link up Jack Choose here. You know, he's the man.
The next one, I'm going to want it.
Which one? Next one? No, not yet.
Great German, you know.
And tell them about this no German. Oh, that. Tell them about that.
Yeah, man, this is a Pimental. It has wintergreen, bourgogne bark, wild cinnamon, and nata.
German.
And olive oil is actually the base.
Yeah.
This is German. You want a little?
No, not yet. You don't want me to link it, yeah?
Alright.
Come here, look what I'm going to use, but they want
Yes, but if they want to, you tell me.
yeah, man, definitely.
What that?
It's
clay?
sulfur clay.
Oh, sulfur clay.
Water.
Yeah, yeah, I
The
know.
clay?
Yeah, you come from the in water. I'm coming.
So we actually use this to massage. There's a lot of healing properties, and a lot of benefits. Man, it's all about Mother Nature.
So that pimento,
Pimental, wintergreen, bourgogne bark, wild cinnamon, and nata. The base is actually olive oil.
olive oil. Exactly, so it's all healthy.
All about Mother Nature.
Yes, so it's all Mother Nature and getting in there. Be getting into the coconut.
To increase sperm count. Good for the men because I don't have him yet. I'm eating on his behalf.
Yeah.
He'll get it from me.
Yeah. So she's eating on his behalf. So if you're watching, don't worry, she's eating on your behalf. Right? She's building up. Build.
Me.
Yeah. So guys, someday I'm going to feast my eyes and feast. Yeah. This coconut sweet.
Yeah, even the meat is so
The meat sweet as well. In St. Thomas.
I think I need to go for the offspring. It's not enough.
So this is the
No, I wanted to eat it.
sulfur clay.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, you have the one where she can eat. Because she's looking for the one where she can eat.
It's the same one, you know.
This one?
But you can't eat so much. You have to just take a tip.
Yeah.
That's good for your kidney. Your lungs,
This one
it
is
clean
like,
it.
Tina, can you explain to him like the one
Yeah.
that's white sugar?
Basically the one that she's talking about. You know, like the one where the clay. Where you used to make pots. Like the one where the
Yeah,
baby
man. No,
mothers
it's
then-
I see one, you know. But this, it have mineral, sulfur, limestone in it.
Tina, let me go get the sulfur.
Yeah.
Here.
I'm gonna get it for you. Yeah.
And it does a lot. It's good for eczema, skin cancer, it's good for making pots too.
Okay. So
As stove, yes. You just make them and put them down.
you gonna taste it?
It's not this one.
You gonna taste it?
Huh?
Taste it, make you see. You taste it, let you see. Come here, taste it, make you see.
I do this every day.
You eat that every day?
Yep. Clean my lung.
No, because here where the camera never see it a while ago, you have to do it again, let the camera see. So the people that's
Because
watching.
I'm like, it looks dark.
Yeah, so do it again, let the people them who's watching see. Go on, do it again.
Look.
Look, see?
Yeah.
No,
Wait.
the one say eat
Wait,
it again.
wait.
The one say eat
Wait.
again.
Kino, I can just say wait.
And I eat that. I eat it and see.
My name is Dr. Dennis.
Yeah.
This is my health, my strength, my days gone. It clean every bone to it. It come from the eating water.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Let me go get the see the rabbit on.
You have to dig 4 feet to find it.
What?
Give me that one.
4 feet.
4 feet on the earth to find this.
4 feet under
the water.
Still the mosquito will eat me with this?
They won't come on. It's coming like a repellent.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so if you got on this, you don't need the other repellent in there?
Yeah. No mosquito like this.
Let me take off this.
Yeah, take it off.
They bite me.
Should I take it off from
If
early?
you eat some.
Eh?
Eat some.
Eat some? Yeah, I'm gonna eat some soon. Jaman, he's
I'm not
eating
giving
it.
my part.
The guy,
Wait.
Well, then grab it down in there a long time, so when he said, can I eat?
yeah. I want
Uncle.
that guy, no.
You see worm and then something in the belly. There's the infection. It go.
You know what I notice, eh?
Yeah.
From you eat it, your speech change.
Yeah.
My name is Dr. Dennis.
Yeah.
So I can, you know.
You know? But from you eat it,
How good how much it is?
yeah.
Yeah, me eat for it. Then me tell her I say it good for worm. Kill out the something in
I can
that.
take out this now.
Infection, you know.
I can take it out.
Some rub and they just go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anybody with bikini here.
Yeah, them wear them down there, man.
Take off your shoes.
But normally, this going your body last because when he's going to do the massage and thing.
After you finish, you get on the next parish, you know.
Yeah. So this is only for now.
Just like
He's
interview.
going to do it
Okay.
when you finish. So,
Okay.
so you don't have to put on anymore. Don't put on anymore.
When I'm done.
Yeah, because when he finish massage and bath you,
He more put on more.
he's going to put that on you.
Yeah.
And that's the time now.
Down.
Yeah, man, you walk with it?
No, me have some.
Him have
Yeah,
some.
fam.
If once in a while I have a sell them, but me have some for use and me have none.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you come back, you get a package. Me give her one already.
Yeah, so if you want to buy any,
Yeah, man. I link Dennis, Dr. Dennis.
you want this to buy for him?
Down here.
Did he?
Yeah?
You want this to buy for him?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Okay, how much you sell this for, sir? For me?
Under $1,000, uncle.
$1,000?
Yeah.
If you put more than this, $1,000.
Don't know me give more, man.
Oh, come here, Jamaican, you
Down
can't
here. Yeah.
need more than that. So go and keep it till when time we're ready.
I'm not come back.
Yeah, I want to come
Put
then.
a little bonus for
Yes.
like a year castle.
Uncle, me
Here we can see we're from, you know, we're from here.
I get 2 bags.
You should have given me that bucket after the towel.
Jesus Christ, I'm going to give you 2 bags.
I don't understand how your speech pigment change from you eat that white.
It's a eating mud. When they're very aggressive, it does break you down. Good for also stress.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a picture with him, please.
German look like you're ready now. Give me next one because you're ready.
Wait. I want to tell them something. So guys, this is also food. They eat it here in Jamaica and he's a doctor. He says it's so good.
Dr. Dennis.
Doctor, show them again.
Oh gosh.
No. You eat it for them to see.
No, yeah.
Guys, welcome to Jamaica. Wow, but we also eat it back in Africa. Not exactly this, but it has a good taste.
Look now. This in your lungs.
So Jeff and the man eat it in his speech.
I guess he's still alive, you know. So.
Yeah, he's still alive. You ever eat it, Jeff?
I've been doing this for 30 years.
Never eat it yet. I mean, nothing.
30 years.
No. Jah, just keep an eye on him, please. Right? Later on, give him a phone call and see if he's
Uncle,
okay.
Check him
I
out.
regularly do this shit.
Regular. But before, he was speaking so clear,
Yeah.
so fluent, but now, it gets
Something else.
heavy.
Yeah, but I will.
It got heavy. Oh, let's go for my buckle. I forgot my buckle. All is fair. Let me go get my buckle.
Yes.
See up that on the
Okay,
ground.
carry the elf too.
Yeah.
Look, I'm on the double.
Right. Let me go get my buckle. Because I come here and I have to bring my bottle to get some water. As when I come here and I bring home some water. When I come here, you have to bring home that water at the back. So, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Got no signal at all. Everything good, mommy? Guys, look, see him there? They might come wash off back now. Look, see the man over there. He's washing out everything out there mouth. Yeah. He's still like he's one. The man so like he want to chew up a while ago. He go, eh? In the night. Wash out your mouth now.
Yeah. And someone clean all the teeth them too, you know?
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see kidney?
Yeah.
That flush it out.
Flush it out. When come and do it, I go. Yeah, you know, him said can't eat. You know?
I eat a lot.
Because you might try to sell us or eat it.
Yeah.
Right, because the girl says she wants something to buy which she can't eat it clear. And they must say, eat this one.
Yeah.
You can't eat it.
Yeah.
But if for them eat it, in speech change. It's like I must speak now.
Yeah.
He wasn't speaking like that. He was like, so I'm like, what happened? You see me? And then come out and say more than about that. See?
We can't eat too much every morning.
Oh yeah.
Like people are sick.
So are you speaking clearly now? Are you speaking clearly?
No,
now?
people that sick,
Yeah.
they need a portion.
Okay.
2 meters every day, I don't want so much. So I just put it up.
Yeah, the best.
Yes.
Alright then, big up, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah. The man go, oh yes, yeah, but yeah. Yeah. Oh my days. Well, so guys, I'm heading up, you know. As I said, this is where I always stay. It's nice, it's been raining as well too. So it's been raining. Welcome. Imagine, yeah? The man will try to sell us the stuff. I was by the car and then I look over because I hear someone upon. I look, it's him across. I wash out his mouth and like he's literally one for vomit. So even the guys on the side was laughing the way he was. But you can hear him speech more clearly now. Can him wash out his mouth, you know. So it's good. Sometimes it's good when someone's selling you a product, then just test it right in front of you, you know. Because I know it's good for the body, the outside body, but not for the inside. Not for the inside. Yeah. So welcome. Look at this wonderful nature, you know. This is the best part I really like when I'm here walking through the forest. This is what I really like when I'm here, just walking through the forest. So lovely. It's so lovely. It's cool and nice. Very cool, you know. It's been raining, so the place is a bit moist and all that, but it's lovely. coming through, walking through this forest, looking at the bamboos, you know. So let me know if you ever been to the bath fountain, you know. You know, bath fountain was discovered way back from in the 17th century by a runaway slave, yeah, way back. And the last time I was here, imagine, this wasn't running so flourish. It wasn't running so much. It was purely running because of the drought. No, it's flowing nicely now. So everything is back to how it was before. That is it. It's all back to how it was before. So yes, so we're back again. Ah, blessed. Yes, so we're back again once more in the bath. Oh, and I forgot to bring some change. I forgot to walk with some change for this guy who always keep the place clean. You know, but when I go back to the car, I will give him something. So this is the guy that always keep the place clean. You know, totally. Oh, I go, my general. Yeah, remember me, right?
Yeah, man, remember your face, man. Neck bend in the fall back yet.
No. Yeah, no, man. Yeah. And I'm sure I forgot to say down here, I forgot to work with something for you, but you know, I'm blessed to see me and go when I leave, yeah? You look inside, man.
Blessed, you know?
So guys, this is the man who always keep the place clean. Shaka. Yeah, man, so continue to do the right thing, see me, yeah? Alright, big up, so this is Shaka, so as you can see. That's
bloom with
bloom.
that, you know? Bloom with first time bloom.
Man does creative bloom.
Yeah, and I remember that room, I remember Mr. Lou.
Yeah. So this is the this is the original roots of using these bloom. Yeah. That is it. This is what the four parents them used to use. Let me see this.
Yeah, man, we see a bloom weed.
Bloom weed.
Yeah, man.
See
Yeah, man, that's dried up, you know. It be some flowers on it.
Yeah.
Some nice flowers on them, you know.
So that's dry it up.
And I read the seed, you know, again, for drink and boil as medicine see here too. And medicine bush I'm seeing here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can boil them.
Yeah. That man a medicine bush him. And a fake bush him, a real bush him.
Master them enough down here.
Yeah, man, you better hold it, man.
Yes, guys, we master them really enough down here, so Jacka, me link it back here. Yeah. So as you can see, look how the place is clean and clear. So this is what he does, you know. And I'm always ask us, please give a donation. You know, nothing much, but you know, give something. Oh, go on. Hey, what's snagger there? Tone.
You say you come here, I don't want.
I come back you up now.
You say you come here, I don't want.
So we're going back town now?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I look and say, wait there. You tell me you come here and now, I told you that I was here. You even bring out my buckles, so I'm going to full these as well too.
5 gallon buckle.
Okay, are you 5 gallon gone up?
Yeah.
I'm see the man with the 5 gallon and I wonder who for 5 gallon this is years. So big up Snagger Post, man, you know, a long time I don't hear from him. So how you feeling otherwise? You feeling much better? You could walk. Cramp up. But now you feel more freely and loose, you know? Yeah, man, we give thanks, man, you know? Father got them works. Alright, take your time, yeah? Yeah, I believe you now, man. I believe you now. Yes, guys, so that's one of the patients that Snagger Post help out as well too. Yeah, he's one of the patients where Snagger Post help out as well too, and his herbal thing. And this man always come bath fountain. Cause the last time I see him in Snagger, I'm telling him he always come down here. You know, but finally now I really meet him while I'm down here, you know, by himself. You know, and he wasn't moving around. He wasn't walking, but now he's walking out clearly and freely now. So it's all up now and all good now, everything. So we here at the fountain. We here at the fountain. at the fountain where it all is. So the river is really free flowing and everything. The river is free flowing, as you can see.
I don't know what I'm joking.
It's not that bad. That's where you trap the water.
So she feeling it now, Ja. She know what time it is. Yeah, man.
The water is hot, you know.
Of course, I
It's
told
like
you.
boiled water.
Yeah, I told you.
Huh?
But it won't burn your skin though.
It won't feel the skin.
No, it won't. No,
man.
Let's use that one.
Just this. You cannot.
D, just take it, just take
You
it.
know, it's hot.
Is
You
it
think it's a joke? It's hot.
in diluted? In diluted.
Yeah, like that is much better, but without.
No, you cannot. Just. You soon get used to it.
Just relax. It's a mind over matter. Just relax.
But you know it's hot, right? Woo! Yeah. Okay. Hey.
Hey.
Boy.
Yes,
But
sir.
it burns really good, but it's hot.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're going in with the, how do you call it? Pimento oil. Pure cleansing. After this, I'll be a new being. This is what baptism should be. Real baptism.
New being. We don't get no signal, so that's what I shower don't give. I like how the river flow now. Before it wasn't flowing like this, you know. I remember the last time I was here, Ja. It was the drought. It was facing the drought.
Oh, it
like-
wasn't flowing.
No, because there was a drought.
No, the river is talking about
The
it.
river.
Oh.
The cold one,
Yeah, the cold water.
not the hot one.
But the hot one always flow. It could
The
have
hot
been
one
drought.
always flow.
Always.
Whether it's raining, whether not.
Yeah, night, day, anytime.
Always. Never out. So guys, look at this wonderful. While you're down here, there is no phone signal, so I don't see why I even bring my phone. Because while you're here, you get no signal at all. While you're here, you get no signal. Wow. And even the water that they get. Oh, it was before, yeah. Clear. Then I'll place again. Cool, man. Cool, man. Yeah, man, remember, yeah, man. You know, I have to pass back through. The healing is needed. Yes, right. Hot water here, so hot. Yeah. Tell them the history.
Right here now, it's a runaway slave discovered this one. Wounded and battered, searching for freedom, beaten by a slave master. Right here in front, this is the water bubbling out the rock and get rid of all an eczema and pain and in swelling.
And also on him leg, on him foot.
Yeah, so from them time to now, people ever come on this one, help you, purify your body, any form of illness you have to come right here and get this one.
Yeah. Right, this is the medicine. Healing. You know, you go, whoops. Whoop. Yeah. Can't make it stay too long.
No,
you know what time it is?
No.
Whoop. Whoop, yeah. But guys, look at the steam coming out of my feet. Look at the steam. It's so hot. You can see the steam boiling. So it's all coming from under the rocks. All, you know? And up here is where you got the hot water coming out the rock from up there. Yeah, so you have them everywhere here. So look, this is all hot water. It's coming from out the rock. You can You can literally smell the sulfur in your ear. You can smell the sulfur. The sulfur is so strong, you can smell it. Pure sulfur. Hot. So hot. So look at this. It's all hot water coming out the rock. So then put this in here to catch it. Like a catchment. Right? So it's like a catchment. Woo! It is so hot. I understand it is so hot. Hot. So hot. I'm not even lying. Up here you have upstream where the river is flowing from, you know, all the way up. And there's some section of rivers where you can swim all the way up the stream, where you literally have to walk from up by the top to reach down there. But there's some flowing river where you can go, you know, and you get the flow. But this is so hot. This is hot. So this is the only place where you find hot and cold mixed together. Cause this is the hot water and the river water is the cold water. So what they do is the hot water open the pulse and the cold water close it. So that's how it works here. So when you finish with your hot bath and everything, you lie down in the cold water, which is the river right here, and close the pulse. So you keep everything inside. Every single thing inside. You know, so I'm taking upstream a little bit. You know, so this is where all the river flows. So as in the history, you know, as in the history where them says a runaway slave discover the hot water. Yeah, runaway slave discover the hot water, guys, and from the 17th century. You know. So when I read up on it, it said 17th century. And he was run away because he was beaten up and them have an ulcer on his feet. So he used the hot water here to cure it. So you can research it as well, so you can type it in. The history, research it, you know, the history, you know, about bath fountain. You can go and Google it and research, and it can tell you more about the history of a bath fountain, you know, or the runaway slave discovered. So as they can continue to go all the way up, we can find more deeper river with more bigger spaces for you to swim as well. But you can walk on the stream, but it's easier to walk up there by the top. You know, where you can find it, because the stream will be difficult all the way walking down. So what I will do, I will make a walk, you know, and showing where we can, showing how far we can go. So what I'm going to get some more batteries to roll with, just in case if we run out of battery. So let's see, because I want to go and have a hot water shower first, but it's kind of full. Okay, this is the hot water coming all the way from the rock, and trust me, it's well hot. I'm not talking about no cold water hot, we are talking about boiling hot. It is so hot. We run underneath it, hey, we will run out and drop. And because I'm used to it now, and I've been coming down here more than, you know, a couple of times now. It's like my 5th time coming here. Literally my 5th time coming here, so I got used to it because I love it. It's all good, healing. You can drink it. And then so when you come here for drink, you have to drink it as well. And I also brought my bottle to pull it up as well to take it home. Okay. What a nice, though. You know about camera?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. This is lovely. Lovely. So them say this water get rid of all ache and pain. All the pain, all the ache you get rid of. All ache and pain. So trust me. When you come to Jamaica, you need to come and visit Bath Fountain. You know, you need to come here. Look, show them. You know? That's the hot water coming out the rock. You look like a video man, you know. Why don't you become a YouTuber?
Maybe you used to do video, but not it again.
You did it again. Why? You see, we could have give you a shout out now and tell the people them go and subscribe to your YouTube. Good. Yeah, man. Lovely, 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 lovely. So guys, if you want, you can use this to get the sprinkle, or you can move it to get the full force, but the full force is too hot. So I rather the sprinkle. Yeah. I rather the sprinkle. What am I doing? Wait, man?
No, sir. Let them learn.
Yeah, thanks. Hot, 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 hot. Come on, this is it, man. Jamaica. So guys, when you come to Jamaica, you need to check out Bath Fountain, you know? Lovely here. So I'm gonna enjoy my shower under the hot water. Be right back. So we're back here with the mango. Aye.
The towel is good, the towel is good, the towel is good. The towel is good.
B. Look here.
No! Look what? Here. Yeah, but the good thing it goes off so quickly. Like it's just like a 1 second burn.
Yes, you know, don't try to tense it. Just relax. Don't tense it, just relax. Well. So when you come here, you have to come visit the Bath Fountain. Get that nice, warm, therapy, hot water from coming from the rock. Trust me. I know many of you probably watching, probably been here already. Yeah, you've probably been here. Trust me. It is lovely down here. Very, very lovely. Very nice. See why you're running.
It's good, man. Trust me. I even. No, man. Trust me.
Of course, yeah. When it comes on the hand, it's not that hot. The oil is the best. It smells so good.
You know you think, man.
Oh, guys, you all need to come and visit.
This one, just this one.
Please, let's mix it.
No, man, just okay. You need it. Okay, no, you need it that. Okay, you need some like that. No, man.
Okay.
I want you to just give it just to wash off, just a one, you know?
Yeah.
One time.
No, enough. You know now.
No, just no.
It. Guys, I'm gonna put the thumbs up when you're watching. We're here at Bath Fountain, you know, Bath Fountain. Trust me. What a way to relax. What a way to relax,
Just like yeah, thank you.
I said.
What? Okay. Kino,
Yo,
how you doing, my friend?
I am good.
My best friend.
I am good.
You're doing good.
Well good.
Yeah.
Woo.
And he was acting like I'm overreacting.
No,
He was acting like I'm being too
I'm
much.
calm, man. I'm calm.
And now, yes, after 2 seconds, you're calm.
Calm.
Yeah. If I lived within here, I could be coming for this every Friday. Yeah. Unforgettable experience. Good.
All good.
Mm-hmm.
All good.
All good.
That is it.
That's how Jamaican men are.
Wow.
I love what I see. Direct.
Direct.
Head on. No hiding.
Once him like what he see. What he see is what he want. What he want, he try to get.
That's how Jamaican men are. But I like it same way. You know? Okay. He likes what he sees. Okay, there we go with the stone. Yeah. Now it's time for me to pour the water on Kino.
You have to be a pro.
Because your friend is mixing it.
You have to be a pro, man. You have to get your ID. You have to go. It's not ID now, so he's a professional.
Me too, I have my ID.
Is it?
Yeah, he just gave it to
It
me
says
now.
bath fountain. You have to say bath fountain.
I have it.
Where is it? Show me.
Bath fountain.
No, you can't.
Kino! And you're like, I'm used to it. I'm used to it. You see? You see?
But that's not how you do it.
Yeah.
You don't do it like that.
You can't cook him here.
You know I'm gonna throw it back on you, baby.
No, Kino. No,
You're
no.
gonna get it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
Okay,
Kino.
you're gonna
I'm
get it.
sorry, no.
So
There's no escape.
there's no escape. You're
Kino,
gonna
I'm
get it.
sorry. Let me start. I will be there.
Well, anywhere you
You're
are.
still alive, so you'll still be alive then.
Exactly. So you're gonna
You're
get
still
it.
alive, so you'll still be alive.
No.
Just prepare. Ja?
Yeah.
You gotta say what you doing,
Alright,
right?
alright, yeah. Real injustice.
Kino, I'll cry.
Well, you will stop crying.
No. No,
Yeah,
Kino, I'm so sorry.
It's too late.
No.
Too late.
Okay, guys, we're getting the hot water. Throw it on Kino.
Yeah, that's what you need to do it.
That's what I need to do. So it rubs off my mistakes, you know, right?
Should I make up
Yeah.
big?
I'm making up.
Take it from her, Ja, because I'm gonna show it on her.
Yeah, let me have it.
I'm gonna show it on
This
her.
one is not hot. Even me, he was doing this. I know.
Say big, I'm gonna show it
No,
on her.
Kino, I said sorry.
Sorry, that's done gone bad already.
I said sorry.
Well, after when I finish, yeah, man, finish to get it. Yes. Woo, 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 woo. You're like a hunter, you know. Now I'm the hunter. I am a hunter, you know.
That is it.
I am the hunter.
Them soldier they over say, you know.
Yeah, that is me right now.
Yeah.
This is how I'm gonna look in Kenya.
That is it. Easy, you know.
Yeah.
And we need some of the bone and all them and
Yeah.
some of the thing them
Bone
for
and
cook
I can't go there, Ben.
Yeah.
So this is my camouflage for today.
That is it.
This is the sulfur, natural, under the ground. Them say you have to dig 4 feet under the ground to get this.
4 feet?
Yeah.
No, I'm just giving you a towel. You want to leave a towel here?
Kino! I will bow down. Bumbo clap. Where's my shoes?
Yeah, put on her shoes and come get you.
Nice, wow.
Let's see. Oh, sir.
I'm coming for you. I have to burn you. I have.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, you're so sweet.
No, it's not that sweet. Okay, I surrender. Leave me.
Oh, sir.
Kino, I surrender.
Surrender.
Until I win. It's not over until I win. That's the Leo's motto. Kina, you're so bad.
Kina, I don't have a big pool of us here, guys.
Yeah. So right now I have all my ammunition right here.
Yeah, whole lot of water.
So I'm not moving from here.
You see that?
Yeah. I'm not moving, so too much ammunition. And guys, tell her to stop, she don't want to stop.
She said she ain't gonna stop until she win, guys. Let's see if she can win, man.
Watch her now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.